You must absolutely do this to manifest whatever it is you desire. Most people make this one big mistake. And when you make this mistake, you thwart your ability to manifest your deepest desires. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Well, we're getting settled down here, and I wanted to share this special video with you because so many people, one of the top letters that I get almost every day is, Robert, I've tried this, I've tried that. And it's almost like you believe it's formulaic. The law of attraction is not formulaic. The law of attraction works on your beliefs. What do you believe about yourself? What do you believe about your life? What do you believe about your abilities? What do you believe about whatever it is you desire to attract? And then those beliefs matriculate into thoughts and eventually feelings. And it's through feeling that we connect to the universe. Now, when our feelings are strong, when they're intense, when they're empowered, then we start to manifest, and manifesting comes easily. It's almost crazy how fast manifesting can happen in your life, whether it be the relationship you desire, the money you desire, that new car, that new home, that dream vacation, better health, whatever it is, you can manifest it, but you have to believe it. Here's something that happens. So we set ourselves up to lose when we embark on this one deadly mistake. Now, if you are guilty of this one mistake, don't feel bad. Most people are. But when you are strong in your word, when you are strong in your beliefs, then it's easy to manifest. So let me give you the sentence. It's from the book, The Four Agreements by Don Ruiz and Janet Mills. Listen to this. Be impeccable with your word. High flyers. So many of us just casually use our word. Oh, I'll be there around 3:30. Around 3:30. And then 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock comes, 7 o'clock comes, and all of a sudden you show up. And everybody's angry with you. You said, hey, I did the best I can. If you don't like it, tough. But here's what happens. I want to show you this. Let's get out the old whiteboard here. So this is you, okay? And you're sending up crooked messages to the universe. Every time you are not impeccable with your word, every time you lie to yourself, or if you say to yourself, I will do this today. Today, this will get done. And it doesn't get done. You're sending up a lie to the universe. Now, every time you exaggerate or tell a small lie to someone else, you're sending up a crooked message to the universe. And the universe starts to say, hey, I'm not sure this guy is always expressing what he deeply desires and wants. You see, when you write out an intention, you're expressing what you deeply desire to manifest, what you believe is already possible. And the universe doesn't believe you because all you do is send up crooked messages all the time. So guess what? It sends back crooked results. And what usually happens is things look like they're coming. They look like they're coming. The job's coming. It's happening. And then boom, it goes the opposite direction. You're getting exactly what you put out. And I know you don't do it intentionally. None of us do. Sometimes we're busy and we say, okay, I'll get that done. And then we don't get it done. I'll be there at 5, and then we're there at 7. They're not huge lies, but they are lies. And every lie is a crooked message being sent to the universe. Now, on the other hand, our little guy here is sending up really positive, clear messages to the universe. And every time he sends up a message, whether it's to another person, because listen, the universe isn't just something out there, it's in here. High flyers, come on. This is where the universe is at. So when you tell somebody something and you keep your word, guess what? Good things happen. The universe keeps its word to you. The universe believes you. So bottom line is, when you exaggerate, when you're not clear with your words, when you're not impeccable, as the 4 Agreements says, when you're not impeccable with your words, then the universe doesn't know whether to believe you or not. When you say, I intend to manifest this new car by the end of the month, it doesn't know that. It can't trust that because you're sending out counter messages. And you're doing it with your family, your friends, you're doing it at work. But most importantly, high flyers, every time you send a crooked message, you're doing it to yourself. Okay, I love you. Have a great day. And here's some other videos to help you on your journey.